Hi, my name is Aviran Amiga. I'm from Israel. I'm 27 years old. I came here to Escena school after I searched about animation studies, and I find out that Escena is one of the best schools in the world, and I crossed all over the ocean for be here. Well, after I finished the army in Israel, I figured out that I want to be artist, some kind of artist. And since I was a kid, I really loved all animation movies like Disney and Pixar, DreamWorks, all that. And I fell in love in that when I was a kid, and I understand this is my passion when I grow up. So I came here to try my luck and my, the future works. Well, because I don't speak Spanish so well, I really hope that in the 3 years I'm here, my Spanish will be great. And this is the first thing. The second thing, of course, is to be like one of the best animators. And I know that there is here in Escena specifically industry for movies, and I really want to start to work here, and I think it's great.